Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing your data. Copy documents, desktop, and important folders to an external drive or cloud. This preserves files if something fails. Once that's done, create a Windows 10 recovery USB using another PC and an 8 GB flash drive so you can boot repair tools. Make sure you know your Microsoft account and any license keys. They speed reactivation. Also plug in power. Interrupted updates can worsen corruption, so remain plugged in until recovery finishes. Next, boot from the recovery USB and choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. This is where repair begins. Run Startup Repair first. It fixes boot errors automatically. If you have a restore point, run System Restore to roll Windows back without deleting personal files. If problems persist, open Command Prompt and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to repair system components. These tools address component store corruption. Once repair is complete, remove the USB and restart. Check that your files, apps, and settings are intact, open documents, and a few apps to confirm. If Windows still misbehaves, do a repair install by running the Windows 10 ISO from within the OS. That refreshes system files while preserving data. If the system won't boot at all, restore from the external backup you made earlier. If anything goes wrong during these steps, remain calm and try the previous step again, or use your backup copy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.